The eNovativePiano Workbook is an indispensable tool helping you and your students stay organized and on task with assignments and due dates. But to see your workbook, students must be added to your workbook roster. This tutorial will show you how to do this. When you create a workbook, a join code is issued. This code is how students join your workbook. You can find your workbook join code by going to Workbooks, where you will see the join codes for the different workbooks you have created. Send this join code to the students in your class. Once your student has purchased a subscription, they can log in. On their dashboard, they will see a field where they will be prompted to enter the join code. You, as teacher, will receive an email and a notification on eNovativePiano prompting you to approve each student's request to join. To approve, select the Pending Join Codes icon for your workbook, and on the right side of the page, you can view your roster. You will see the list of students awaiting approval. Click the green check mark to approve. You can also click the notification at the top of the page. Once approved, your students will be able to access your workbook from their dashboard or from the My Workbooks tab. Remember, students must be subscribed to eNovativePiano to be added to your workbook roster.